In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT and Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can get ChatGPT connected in just a minute or two. Start by opening Notion and making sure you're in the workspace where you want the connection to live. Look to the upper left-hand corner of the app. You'll see your workspace name or icon there. Click that to open the workspace menu and then choose Settings. This takes you into the control center for your workspace, where you can manage everything from members to tools. On the left-hand side of the settings window, find and click Connections. Think of Connections as the place where Notion lets you link helpful services so you can extend what your workspace can do without leaving Notion. Once you're on the Connections page, look for the section labeled Notion MCP. This is the catalog where you can discover integrations that plug directly into your workspace. Click Explore to open the directory. In the list, locate ChatGPT. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top if you want to find it faster. When you see ChatGPT, select it and then click Connect. Notion will handle the rest from here. If you're prompted with any on-screen confirmations, just follow them and continue. When it's connected, you'll see ChatGPT listed as an active connection, which is your confirmation that everything is set. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you're juggling multiple workspaces, double check the name at the top to be sure you're connecting ChatGPT to the right one before you proceed. If the connections option isn't visible, try expanding the settings window or switching to the desktop or web app for a clearer view. And if you don't immediately see Notion MCP, give the page a second to load, then use the search to jump right to ChatGPT. Once connected, you can always return to this same connections area to review the status, see that ChatGPT is active, and stay confident that the integration is in place. It really is that straightforward. Open your workspace settings, go to connections, choose Notion MCP, explore, find ChatGPT, and connect. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.